Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Monopoly Go trading group. To do so, you first need to launch a game on your device. Once you've launched a game, you will see an option called Album on the bottom right side of your screen. Click on it. And now go to the sticker which you currently don't have. For example, I don't have the sticker called Chime Bells. So I'm going to tap on the Chime Bells sticker first. And you'll see an option called Group. Click on it. And you'll be redirected to the Monopoly Go trading group. Once you're here, there'll be a button called Join right here if you haven't already joined. As you can see, I've already joined the group. So if you want to join, just click on the Join button right here and you'll be able to join the Monopoly Go trading group. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Stace. Happy gaming!